Lesson 1. The gate and the fence. Hello, Talking House. What can you see?
I see a fence.
What color is the fence?
It is yellow.
I like the yellow fence.
Thank you, Bunny.
Talking House, what can you see? I see a gate. I see the gate.
Bunny, what can you see?
I see a gate.
Do you like the gate?
Do you like the gate? Yes, I do. It is a nice gate. The gate and the fence.
The fence is long.
What color is the fence? It is yellow, Bunny. Yes, the fence is yellow. I see a gate and a yellow fence. Very good, Bunny. I will explore the house today.
Are you ready, Bunny?
Yes, I am ready. Goodbye, yellow fence. Goodbye, gate. Let's go inside. Lesson 2. The garden and the door. I love this place. What can you see?
I see a garden.
What color is the garden? It is green.
Huh? Green.
Is it big or small?
It is big.
Yes, a big green garden. Now I will go inside. Look. What can you see? I see a door. color is the door? It is blue. Yes, it is a blue door. Hello, blue door. It is yellow. Wow! The door can speak. Yes! It is the magic door! I see a magic door! Ah! What color is the garden, Bunny? It is green. Is it big or small? It is big. Very good. You can come in. Thank you, Blue Door. Goodbye, Big Green Garden. Goodbye, garden. I will go inside. I see a new room. Lesson 3. The living room, bedroom, and bathroom. Talking house, where am I? Look around. What can you see? I see a living room.
Hello, little bunny. I am Mr. Clock.
Hello, Mr. Clock in the living room.
Do you like the living room?
Yes, the living room is big. Open the door, Bunny. Magic door. What can you see? I see a bedroom. Wow. I see a bedroom. Talking house. What color is the bedroom? Look carefully. It is blue. Yes, it is blue. The blue bedroom is very nice. Are you ready for a new room? Yes! Open the door, please. Look inside, Bunny. What can you see? I see a kitchen. Oh. Do you like the kitchen? Yes. The kitchen is big. I am hungry.
Where do you eat? Where do you eat?
I do not know. Where do you eat?
I eat in the dining room. Let's go to the dining room. We are here.
What can you see? I see a dining room. Where do you eat, silly spoon? I eat in the dining room. Bunny, where do you eat? I eat in the dining room. Thank you, Talking House.
You are welcome, Bunny.
I like my house. Goodbye, little bunny. Goodbye. See you again.